Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we're diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 20th of June, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 4th of June, 2025, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.38. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Unfortunately, the stock has not performed as anticipated, with a decline of 6.10% thus far. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.51% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 37.51% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 12.99% to 66.83%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of around 46.13%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 8.7% to 301.59% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $4.35 and $16.06. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings features the headline, Green Day on Friday for BigBear.ai Holdings stock after gaining 1.01%. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price increased by 1.01% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, rising from $3.96 to $4. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 7.33%, with a daily low at $3.81 and a daily high of $4.09. The price has shown volatility during this period, resulting in a 6.1% gain over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 40 million shares, with a total of 164 million shares traded for approximately $657.06 million. It is important to note that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $10.35, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price is 61.35%, or $6.35, below the 52-week high, and 75.19%, or $12.12, below the all-time high recorded on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price reached $16.12. BigBear.ai, trading under the symbol BBAI, is currently gaining attention with a reported backlog of $384,900,000, a significant indicator of the company's potential for growth in the second half of 2025. This backlog reflects strong demand for their AI-driven decision intelligence solutions, particularly within government and defense sectors, highlighted by key contracts such as Project Linchpin with the U.S. Army. Recent deployments of their biometric technology at major U.S. and Canadian airports demonstrate BigBear's capabilities in enhancing security and operational efficiency. Although the company continues to face challenges with profitability, net losses are decreasing, and the recurring revenue from long-term contracts enhances their outlook. The overall AI sector remains resilient despite macroeconomic volatility, positioning BigBear to capitalize on expanding opportunities, especially in national security. In the short term, the stock may see positive movement driven by increasing revenue visibility and successful product deployments. Long-term prospects hinge on their ability to transition from unprofitability to sustained growth as they leverage their technology in multiple industries. Investor sentiment will likely align with these developments, impacting stock performance as confidence in BigBear's strategy builds. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned a buy grade to BBAI, while also recommending a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, H.C. Wainwright once again gave BBAI a buy grade along with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts again provide a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. Today, the stock presents mixed signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, and so far, it has declined by nearly 11%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MAC. However, BigBear.ai Holdings retains buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Moreover, a general buy signal exists due to the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is anticipated from the lines at 392 and 372. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. During the last trading day, volume decreased despite rising prices, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 18 days ago. Bollinger presented a buy signal 151 days ago. The short-term moving average generated a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages triggered a buy signal 38 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average has provided a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 61 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. BigBear.ai Holdings finds support from accumulated volume at $3.96, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 279 cents between its high and low, which represents a movement of 7.33%. In the past week, the stock experienced a daily average volatility of 9.08%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could signal potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts currently estimate earnings to be at negative 7 cents. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $4.05. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings faces its first support level at $3.96. Should this support level hold, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from various analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 6th of June 2025, Rickershawn Raymond executed an insider purchase of 39,788 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings, LLC conducted an insider purchase of 65,822 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June 2025, Hayes Dorothy D. executed an insider purchase of 32,911 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June 2025, Fulcino Paul E. conducted an insider purchase of 32,911 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June 2025, Canito Peter Anthony Jr. executed an insider purchase of 32,911 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we observe that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 93.89. In total, insiders acquired 2,795,254 shares, while selling 136,359,620 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.83, which represents a decline of 4.21%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top that was identified 17 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for BigBear.ai Holdings stock to perform well in the near future. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 23rd of June, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open lower by approximately 3 cents and begin trading at around $3.97. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any transactions involving securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best wishes from all of us here at Stock Invest.